Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to update TikTok on your iPhone. So first you go to your app library and just click on App Store, click on the search bar, type in TikTok, and you will be able to see if there's an update for TikTok, because if there's an update it's gonna say update instead of open, and you just click update. If this didn't work, first you try to reboot your phone and try updating the application again. If this still didn't solve your problem, you're gonna go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, tap on TikTok, and before you do this step I need to say that you need to be aware that this is gonna just delete your drafts, so be careful with this step if you don't have them saved. So we're gonna click offload app, then click reinstall app, and this is gonna force update TikTok if you couldn't update it in the App Store. Alright, so all in all, this is how to update TikTok on your iPhone.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.